Hello everyone. Take a small section right from the center in the front and then pull a comb through it. Right when you reach the eye level, make an opposite V-shaped cut on either side. Comb the hair through as such. Now taking the side cuts, make a cut right at the base of the neck. Now make a diagonal cut and then move outwards as such. Do the same on the other side. Once you are done with this, you may pull a comb through it and then afterwards begin to make vertical cuts so that each section blends in with the next and there's no excess in one side. Make sure that you leave no stand unattended. Once you are done with the center, you may move on to either side. We have started with the left. You may move on to the right after you do so. Finally, once you are done with the cutting, take two sticks such as chopsticks and then burn them using a lighter, and then after this, pull the sections of the hair through it and then curl it ever so slightly. This will add volume to the hair as well as puff it out a little bit and make it look all the more better. Do the same for the sides as well, except for the sides, twirl it around the stick after heating it up, and then this should add twirls to the side of the face. This makes the hair frame the face in a much better form than it would otherwise. This is the final look. Comb it into place. Next, take the circular shaped twine and then make a little cut in one section of the hair after putting it on. Then begin to cut the rest of the hair according to the small cut that you have made. This will help you trim your bangs as such. After you are done making the horizontal cut, begin to make vertical cuts to it. Next, take the front section of the hair, put it towards one side and twist it. Then cut it at the level of the base of the neck. Now once you're done with this, begin to make vertical cuts in it to make it all the more blended. After you are done with this, take one small section of the hair, comb through it and then use a hair straightener and puff it out as such. Next, once you're done with one of the sections, take another section right behind it, twirl it around as such. Do the same on the other side as well and set it in place. Once you reach the bottom, you may slightly curve it outwards so that this is how it sits. It will frame the face all the more better. Next, take the front section of the hair as such, right near the central parting, pull a comb through it and then cut it at the eye level. Now pull a comb through it and make vertical cuts to it. Twist the side portions of the hair. Now taking the sides, cut it at the base of the neck. Begin to make diagonal cuts from it afterwards. Make sure that your diagonal cut is rather sharp. Do the same on the other side as well once you are done with the center and one of the sides. Once again, don't forget to make the vertical cuts to make it look all the more blended. Next, take two metallic sticks and then heat it up using a lighter. Once you have heated it up, put the hair in the center of it and then begin to curl it using this sticks. As for the sides, twirl the hair around the sticks and then you should get these curls. Do this on either side and then this will help you make the hair frame the face. Thank you for watching.